readying its mainstream line of 360-degree clamshell-to-tablet convertible laptops for the new year. Samsung slipped out its update announcement for the 13.3-inch spin model of the Notebook 7 in the relative quiet before the storm of CES 2018. That was probably smart, since the upgrades are pretty minor and include the typical parity enhancements we've been seeing. But folks who were thinking about buying the previous model and passed because of the lack of stylus support will be happy to learn that the 2018 models add support for active pens. Like the Notebook 9 pen introduced in December, the Spin 7 also gets enhanced security in the form of a fingerprint reader, and, of course, upgrades to the 8th gen version of the Intel Core i5 processor. It's also switched over from a 1TB spinning disk to a 256GB SSD, which should improve speed and battery life, but provides a lot less storage. Samsung expects to ship the system in the first quarter of 2018. But otherwise didn't provide any notable specifics or pricing. I think it will likely be the same as the current model, about $800. I can't find them in the UK or Australia, but that directly converts to about £590 and AU $1020. Samsung Notebook 9, Notebook 9 pen and Notebook 7 spin at CES 2018. What to expect at CES 2018 in laptops, desktops and tablets.